Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Well, today we're making some rice and shrimps. I'm serving it with salad and harissa sauce. So today we're making shrimp and rice recipe. Very easy and very quick and very tasty. You stay with the video, I'll show you how you can make it. And the ingredients, you'll find them in the description box. Okay, so we'll start with some olive oil, onions, cook it for a few minutes. We'll add garlic, the heat is on medium. We'll just let the onions get a little bit soft, and then we'll add the tomatoes. Okay, so we're back. I added tomatoes, parsley, cilantro, and peas. We're gonna cook everything together. Then we'll add the shrimps, and then we'll add the seasoning. Okay, so now we're gonna add the seasoning. Of course, I will have all the detailed recipe in the description box. Okay, now we'll add our shrimps. Okay, then we're gonna add a little bit of lemon juice, just 1 tablespoon. So when the shrimp starts cooking, changes color, I will add the rice and water, then we'll bake it. Okay, now we'll preheat my oven. Okay, so now we're ready to add our rice. We'll cover it up and put it in the oven to cook. And our we'll be right back. Smells so good. So we add some lemon slices, parsley and cilantro, and it's ready to serve. Hope you like the recipe.